WebStorm IDE. How to download install Windows 11 and Windows 10 operating system. Google search box lo enter WebStorm download. Enter key press jetbrains.com JavaScript and TypeScript IDE WebStorm first link. Click JetBrains official web page. Complete display. Close window. WebStorm, the JavaScript and TypeScript IDE section lo blue color button download. Click. Close window. Download WebStorm supporting OS. First one Windows, second one Mac OS, third one Linux. Present Windows. Default detect and select Windows. First one. Downloads button right side .exe Windows down arrow click. First one exe Windows, second one zip Windows, third one Windows ARM64. First one .exe Windows default set. Download button click. Window close. Download section lo WebStorm latest version 2026.1.1.exe executable file downloading process start. File size 806 MB. Wait and hear downloading process completing. Completed the process. Right side first icon. Open continuing folder. First icon click. Left side downloads folder lo WebStorm exe executable file display. Select mouse double click. User account control window lo WebStorm.exe first button yes click. Download folder minimize. Browser minimize. Welcome to WebStorm setup window lo first button next click. Choose install location. Middle section lo destination folder. Installation path display in box. Local disk C program files. Newly created folder JetBrains subfolder WebStorm. Space required 2.8 GB. Second button next click. Installation options. Configure your WebStorm installation window lo first one create desktop shortcut. WebStorm first one option left side box tick mark set. Second one update content menu unnecessary. Third one create associations JavaScript first one left side box tick mark set and CSS applications present unnecessary. Third one HTML unnecessary. Fourth one JSON option left side box tick mark set and update path variable restart needed. Create in path system environment variables section. Add path folder to the path option left side box tick mark set. Second button next click. Choose start menu folder. Start menu folder name JetBrains default set. Second button install. Click. Installing. Please wait while WebStorm is being installed. WebStorm application related files and DLL files executable files installation process start. Check the files. Show details button click. Middle section lo installation application related installation all files display. Wait and hear few minutes until process completing. Completing WebStorm setup. After installation process completed, desktop shortcut icon WebStorm display. Present application run. Middle section lo run WebStorm option left side box tick mark set. Second button finish click. WebStorm latest version 2026.1 JetBrains IDEs. Application run. Data sharing window lo first button don't send click. Windows security section lo first button yellow click. Importing settings. Second one, skip import, click. WebStorm IDE interface window maximize. Left side customize option select. Appearance, first one option theme related box, right side down arrow click. Dark mode, light mode, and complete dark. Next, language and region. Select your convenient language, right side down arrow click. English set. Accessibility, IDE font default 13, right side down arrow click. 16 set. First one projects option select. Welcome to WebStorm section లో first one new project click. New project related applications. New project section లో created project save location default path display, right side browse icon click. Desktop option select. Second one new folder click. Delete key press. Enter the project related name Java projects. Enter key press. Select folder, first button click. Language JavaScript select. Bottom side first button create click. WebStorm goes AI assistant tool present unnecessary. IDE maximize. Default file name main.js.